In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save important documents in Gmail. This is a valuable skill, especially in today's digital age where organizing and managing your documents efficiently is key. So let's dive right in and walk through it together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to www.gmail.com. Once there, sign into your Gmail account using your username and password. If you haven't already set up a Gmail account, it's a straightforward process to create one, and there are plenty of guides to help you do that. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find your inbox and other folders like Sent, Drafts, and more. You'll find the Compose button on the upper left-hand corner. Click it to open a new message window. Now, within this window, we can upload and attach the document you want to save. Look for the paperclip icon, which represents Attach Files, just at the bottom of the new message. Clicking this will open a dialog box that allows you to select the document from your computer's files, navigate through your folders, select the file you want to upload, and click Open. Once your document is attached, it's always a good idea to give the email a relevant subject line that helps you easily identify what the attachment is about. Enter a descriptive subject in the subject field of your email, something like Important Tax Document 2023 or Work Presentation June. This helps in managing and finding your documents in the future. Before you save the email, double-check to make sure your attachment has uploaded completely. You'll recognize that the file name appears as a small box with the extension at the bottom of the email draft. Now, instead of sending the email, we're going to save it as a draft. Simply close the draft email. Gmail automatically saves drafts, so no worry if you don't see a save option. To confirm that your document is saved, navigate to the Drafts folder on the left-hand side of your inbox. Open it up, and you'll see your email with the attached document. You can come back to this folder anytime to access, edit, or send the email with your document. Finally, a tip. Using descriptive labels and organizing these emails into folders relevant to their content could save you a lot of time when you're searching for these documents in the future. Consider setting up folders based on categories like work, personal, or finance for easy navigation. And that's it. By using Gmail's Organize and Store features, you can ensure your important documents are just a click away. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.